Happy Thursday, everybody. We're out on a morning walk. It's the first walk since the blizzard. So Monday was the blizzard. Tuesday wasn't a great day, even if I was feeling okay. All the plows are out and trying to get everything cleaned up. Still don't have sidewalks to walk on. Yesterday, we got about 3 more inches of snow in the morning. The size of these snow bankings. Now it's Thursday, and we're out here getting the walk done. Like the last week, my left hip has been in like some pain, discomfort. I did some stretches this morning, and I'm hoping being out here walking, that might loosen it up. The amount of snow that we have is incredible. So grateful we never lost power. I know over at the Cape, they got hammered. I think they were getting 80-mile-an-hour winds. I'm pretty sure like most of the Cape lost power. And have you seen all the videos of Central Park? Everybody out there building snowmen, and someone did a lizard on a tree. It was pretty cool. That's the sidewalk. Somewhere under there. This one is up to the bottom of my hip. Can you see the 2 hawks in the tree? It's pretty nice. In the sun, it's pretty nice. And believe it or not, that's a stone wall right here. See, that's some of it. This snow is going to be here probably till what, the end of April? Like the big snow piles. I feel like they're going to be here for so long. There's just so much snow. Holy cow. I think the trees are starting to get buds. What a view. I think it's so funny. Winter first starts and it's 34 degrees. Everyone's like, oh my God, it's so cold, right? And now we're coming out of like Arctic temperatures. Winter's almost over. It hits 34 degrees. And everybody's like, it's a heat wave. It's so nice out. That wind not blowing actually get quite warm. But then those wind gusts hit you, sucks all the heat out. You start all over again. It's a nice day. A little breezy, but it's a nice day. I just got back from Hannaford. I used to get celery because I ate all of that soup. And I'm gonna make another batch of it because it was so good. Trying a new hairspray. Had to get some snacks, some creamer, bananas. These were 2 for $7, so I got 2. And a sweet treat. And I got these for my son whenever he pops by and has dinner. I love it. There's so much melting going on right now. Yeah, I was looking at the weather and it's supposed to be up in the high 40s in a couple of days. So we're gonna get a lot of melting, but also a lot of flooding. There's so much snow. And I'm hungry, I haven't eaten. It's 12 o'clock. I definitely want to make more of that soup. It's definitely my favorite soup I've made so far this soup season. It was so good. What the heck? Well, that's different. I've never seen that happen before. This is a pinto bean. These are kidney beans? A red bean? Somebody messed up at the plant. I'm gonna get started on lunch, breakfast, lunch. Didn't have breakfast. So I'm gonna do some rice, broccoli, and cauliflower. Whoa, that was a big clump. Just gonna put salt and pepper on. Let's check the rice, see if that's done. Oh, still a lot of water in there. I'm gonna switch these two out. Okay. I'm actually gonna put the heat on. I'm so hungry. I can't wait patiently. I'm just gonna put some butter in the rice and salt and pepper. I'm so hungry. It was actually a pretty good lunch. It was a plain lunch, but it was good. Totally hit the spot. Just finished making the puzzle. And this piece definitely is missing. This part was messing me up so much. Because if you look on the box, this is not on the box until you turn it this way. So that was one weird thing. The second thing, I said it in the video the other day when I was talking about making this. I said it's over 3 feet wide. But That's wrong because it's 3 feet in length. This is width, and this is not 3 feet. And the other strange thing is this border is yellow. Like you see, it goes all the way around the whole puzzle. But making the puzzle, it's red. Well, I just took a pain pill, so I'm going to end the video here. And I just wanted to pop in real quick and say thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.